Axe Techno course registration with exciting discount offers.
Hello everyone, welcome to Ux Techno, igniting innovation through education. My name is Akars and today we are sharing some exciting and some beautiful surprises for all of you. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Akars and I am from Bihar. I have a basic knowledge about computer. Also I have a advanced knowledge about computer, including Google applications, Microsoft Office tools, basic computers, screen readers, and much more. In advance, I have knowledge about command prompt, PowerShell, and much more. Then, let me introduce my programming knowledge. So, in programming, I have a knowledge of basic programming language including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Python. Also, I have advanced knowledge of programming including C, C++, and Java, Kotlin, much more. Then recently I have started exploring machine learning, artificial intelligence, C Sharp, Golang and Rustlang to give more better future for everyone. Now let's jump to our surprises and understand all of our surprises one by one. So today we are very excited and very happy to launch 4 new courses including Web Dev Design Mastery, Web Dev Dynamics Mastery, Java Data Mastery and Python Data Mastery.
Course 1 Web Dev Design Mastery.
In this course, you will understand the basic to advanced topics of HTML, including basic concepts, structure, formatting, then different semantic tags. Then we have different topics including list, links, images, document embedding, then using iframe for YouTube videos. Then we have table, audio video, web forms and much more. After this, we'll jump to CSS where we'll understand basic to advanced about CSS, including basic concept like font, text, all the designing will be there. So font, text, padding, margin, color, background color. Then we have some more topics including animations, transformations, grid, sass, flex and float. After this, we'll jump to JavaScript where we'll understand the basics of JavaScript including how can you print a program, how can you use internal and external JavaScript and some different buttons. We'll understand about different document methods. And at last, we'll understand about Bootstrap where we'll design our website. Means we can create our website more better by adding some buttons like toggle button, tab button and much more.
Course 2 Web Dev Dynamics Mastery.
In this course, you will learn about basic to advanced about JavaScript including basic concepts, printing program, internal and external JavaScript, functions, object-oriented programming. Then we have different data structures like pop, post and different methods which we'll learn here. We'll understand about data type, variables, operators. We'll also learn about date and time, factorial, palindrome and we'll also learn about Fibonacci series and different document formattings as well as document object module means DOM. Then after this we'll understand about jQuery which is a library of JavaScript which helps you to create your website more dynamic and more interactive. So here we'll add more and more buttons. After this we'll move to PHP where we'll understand different topics about PHP like how can you manage the data, how can you run the data within your server. So as a server you can work with PHP. At last we have MySQL where you can manage the database including you can delete a data, you can create a data, you can rename a data, and you can do a much more with data handling.
Course 3 Java Data Mastery.
In this course, you will understand about basic concepts, advanced concepts, and data structure. In this course, you will learn about basic concepts including printing program, then we have functions, we have operators, and we have much more topics here. Then after this, you will understand about object-oriented programming, object and classes. After this, we'll also understand about different data structures within Java.
Course 4 Python Data Mastery.
In this course, you will learn about basic concepts, advanced concepts, and data structures. In basic concept, you will learn about printing the program, then how can you manage operators, you can work with operators. So we'll have operators, functions, then we have variable, data types, then we have some more topics like factorial, Fibonacci series, palindrome, time and date, and much more. Also we have object oriented programming, object and classes, then we'll have data structures including list, tuple, dictionary, then we have some more topics like set, stack, queues, and much more.
Additional benefits 60 hours of engaging online learning.
This means all of our courses has a total duration of 60 hours and will have around 2.5 months to complete our courses.
70% attendance is required for live course.
If you are joining live sessions, then it is necessary, not 100%, but you have to give 70% attendance within our courses and you have to pay attention in our classes. Also, if you are not giving 70%, then you will not remove from our courses, but will share some notices with you. So please, you have to give at least 70% attendance within our courses. Also, if any day you are not coming within our class, you have to announce like why you are not coming. So you have to give the reason, exact reason, and then we'll give you permission to not come in that or in any day.
Courses available in English and Hindi language.
We are starting our courses for now in English and Hindi language, but the course has a primary language of English and a secondary language of Hindi. It means that the course will go live within English language only, but at the end of each live session, Hindi means will tell you about the session in Hindi language also.
Affordable learning experience with exciting discount offers.
Each course costs a minimum of rupees 750, so you have to pay rupees 750 for any one course, whatever you are joining for. Also, we have some discount offers which we are sharing here. So if you are purchasing one course, you have to pay rupees 750. But if you are purchasing two courses at one time, then you have to pay rupees 1200 instead of 1500. So we are giving you 300 discount while purchasing two courses. Also, if you are purchasing three courses, then you have to pay rupees 750 for each course, means you have to pay a total of rupees 2250. But if you are purchasing 4 out of 4 courses, then you will get our courses at rupees 2500 instead of rupees 3000. So you will get 500 discount if you are purchasing all of our courses.
Dynamic recordings, creative projects and engaging quizzes.
We have designed this course with different materials including course lectures, recorded tutorials, than note files and coding files. So if you are joining live session, then you will get course lectures also, but if you are joining recorded session, then you will not get course lectures. Now all these materials will be shared through Google Drive folder. So you must know about Google Drive, and if you don't know, we'll share a tutorial about Google Drive soon. Also we have some quizzes and projects in our course, so if you do quiz and means if you participate in quiz and if you complete the projects, then you will get knowledge that how much you have learned within our courses. Quizzes are very simple and it will be in single multiple choice or multiple multi-choice questions. So you have to complete it, means you have to participate in it, and also you have to complete the projects which we will share with you. You have to share the projects within Google Classroom, and the tutorial about Google Classroom will be shared with you soon. We have also given you the freedom to choose either live session or recorded session. So you can go with live session where you will get extra course lectures, and else you can join recorded session where you will get all the materials similar except the course lecture. So in live session only you will get course lectures and all other resources, but in recorded session, if you are choosing recorded session, then you will get all the resources except course lectures.
Community support with organized WhatsApp groups.
Also, we have a better maintenance and organization, so whenever you join in any of our courses, you will be added in our WhatsApp community, where we'll have total 3 groups. First of all, we have first group which is about announcement, where we'll share all the announcement about our courses, including live session link and different things. Then we have mastery group, where you will get only files also, so you can access either from Google Drive folder or within our WhatsApp group within the mastery group. At last, we have the third group which is about solutions, where you can ask your query and you will get different solutions. Even if you have query regarding technology. But in all of our groups, you have not to share anything. As well as the first or the second group will be on admin mode only. So in that group only the instructor will share different things. But the third group, solutions, will be open for everyone.
Course syllabus with resources and tutorials.
In our course, we'll also share the syllabus within PDF format, and you will get the PDF format, means you will get the syllabus on the 1st of September 2024 after joining any of our courses. In some of our courses, we have some different tools also. So like for example, we have Google Classroom. We have also tutorial regarding Google Drive. Then in Java, we have IntelliJ IDEA and command prompt. So for that also we have a tutorial. Then in Python, we have Anaconda, PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook, Spider and command prompt. So the tutorials for all of these will be available on the 1st of September.
Course registration with schedule and conclusion.
The registration form is open from 10th of August to 30th of August 2024. So if you want to join and if you want to increase your knowledge, just click the link given in the video description and you will enroll within our courses. Also, all of our courses are going to be start within the first week of September, where from 2nd of September 2 courses are going to be start and the other 2 courses will be start on 6th of September 2024. and all the courses will be concluded in the ending month, means in the ending week of December 2024. So this is all about our new courses, our new journey within the digital world. I hope you will enjoy within our courses and you will get freedom to technology and education.